This is how we rolling in the rain. So the rain is not gonna stop us. No, it won't. Don't bust our eyes on these small little tile rocks. Freaking slippery as hell, man. That they are talking about other cities in Spain while we're in Portugal. Go figure.
This is what I'm here for. All of it. All of it. Right, Kaylee? You like the sun or the cold?
The sun.
I know. We're sun creatures, right?
Yes.
Are you a sun mermaid?
Yes.
Yeah. That's Papa. Okay, let's go by Papa. Give me a hand. Wait, no, girl. Girl, lift you up. You're trying to enjoy the sun. It's 19 degrees and in Holland it's 14 degrees at the moment. Yeah, miss me with that. I wish I could just absorb some more and more sun. Good afternoon. It's Saturday, October the what? The 20th. That's what has happened when you're on vacation. So we're here. Oh wait, it's not the 20th. It's 17 was Thursday, 19. October 19.
It's 5.
That's not 5, Kaylee. Come up there.
That's 5 times 2.
That's 10. Yeah. We're here at Casa das Bifanas, Cafeteria, Pasteleria. My child is hungry. So we went inside and it's really busy and they have like more people like going in and going in and going in.
Baby toy store.
Oh my god.
Mom, there's a baby toy store.
Kaylee, when we finish eat, we're gonna look for it, okay?
Okay, I didn't find the baby toy.
But you have to eat food first.
Okay.
That is basically a pork sandwich and I'm gonna show you guys. That's the pork. That's the sandwich. And it goes in a box. Or not. But I think I'm gonna order it to taste it. Let you guys know how it tastes. And I'm gonna see what else is on the menu. So this is the menu.
Thank you.
I know this is the country of bacalao. So I chose this pataniscas con arroz de feijão. I don't know, rice and beans with saltfish fritters. Those look good too. I saw inside that they just sell it separately, so you can also buy it if you want to taste it. And I took, what did I take? Did I take this? No, I didn't take that. I took this veal with fries and a bitoke. That's what Raul took. And then Raul took veal. Bust my face. Yes, so that's what we're gonna eat. And I took a bifanas. I keep saying bifas, but it's bifanas. That's very embarrassing, but your face. So they apologized. The waiter came and he said, sorry, it took so long. We ordered our drinks and our food. We got bread with cheese and butter. That's nice. That's very nice.
Come, three of us. Pros.
Salud.
All is good.
This is rice and peas with the fish cake, some fries and rice. And this is the veal. It looks really good. This is the bifanas. I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes just now.
It's a good.
What are you eating?
I'm eating fries.
And what else?
I do it like that.
Okay, that's that look. Alright. It's Mac look.
Mira, esta es la que parece que está nueva.
Focus still alive. It tastes like cumin, paprika powder, garlic, salt. It's a juicy bread and dry, actually juicy dry. The bread is really nice and soft and fresh. I would eat this on the go, but not every day. As for the rice and peas,
No,
it's quite salty.
can I have it?
Wait. There's no seasoning to it. It's literally just like the beans, the rice thrown in the beans. I mean, I guess it's better than white rice, right? As for the fish cakes, the saltfish fritters, that's some real good stuff. Like really good. These are really nice.
You don't like this? Okay, this is not all is good.
I give those saltfish fritters a 10 out of 10. And the rice,
I want to do it.
a 4 out of 10. Because I believe that, I really think that they could add some
Oh yeah.
more flavors to this. There is always something up in the streets. So we're at Mercado dos Mercados. I don't know. Whoa, some sausage. Oh, that's some sweet bread. Wow, that look good. That also look really, really good. This is my weakness now. You guys can't leave me in these places because that's pescado, bunch of kind of pescado. That's a Rusoles Camaro I bought, and I'm about to try it out. They like these jamon. This is my boo right there. Wait, no, this is not my boo. Sorry. That's pork piece. Come in. Oh, people demonstrating. Even that. Cobain. What is that about? I don't want to get hurt though. I just go and watch from the sidelines. They're talking about oh, I thought I was Africa, but it's something else. Don't know what it is. Everything. You can find everything here in Portugal. Okay? Everything. It's not one boring day. Some goodies. I think that's the bifanas. No, that's not it. Whoa! What the hell? Where is my man? Oh. This is some fresh chips. And sausage. And sauerkraut. Yeah. I'm gonna check that quick. Sausages. I'm not such a fan of the sausages. I went to a buffet and they have a lot of lots of these sausages, but I don't like it. And here they're making a lot of noise. They've been drinking. They've been drinking. So as I was saying, those sausages, not my thing.
Nighttime. We still here by Rocio Center or something like that square. We're on our way home. Just bought some nata to go home with.